The most useful kitchen gadgets for baking. Number 1. Spring Chef Dough Blender. If you love baking pastries, the Spring Chef Dough Blender is a must-have. Its heavy-duty stainless steel blades make cutting butter into flour effortless, giving you the perfect texture for pie crusts, biscuits, and scones. The comfortable grip ensures easy handling. Number 2. Etek City Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Precision is everything in baking, and the Etek City Digital Kitchen Scale ensures you get it right every time. With a sleek stainless steel design and high-accuracy sensors, this scale measures ingredients down to the gram, making your recipes foolproof. Whether you're weighing flour, sugar, or even small liquid measurements, this waterproof and easy-to-clean scale is a game-changer. No more guesswork, just perfectly balanced ingredients for every bake. Plus, it's compact, so it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. If you're serious about baking, this tool is essential. The product links are available in the description. Get yours today. Number 3. Numb Silicone Baking Mats. Say goodbye to parchment paper and messy cleanup. These silicone baking mats are a baker's dream. Completely non-stick, reusable, and perfect for evenly baked cookies, pastries, and bread. No need for greasing or sprays. Just place your dough, bake, and enjoy a mess-free experience. They're also heat-resistant and super easy to clean. If you want perfect baking results every time, grab yours now by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Adjustable Rolling Pin. Ever struggled to roll dough to the perfect thickness? With the adjustable rolling pin, that's a problem of the past. This stainless steel rolling pin comes with removable rings to ensure precise thickness for cookies, pizza, pie crusts, and more. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, and the smooth rolling motion ensures even dough every time. Whether you're a beginner or an expert baker, this tool guarantees perfection in every roll. Upgrade your baking setup today. Order now by clicking the link in the description. Number 5. Cooling Racks. Baking the perfect cake, cookies, or bread doesn't end in the oven. It needs the right cooling process. These cooling racks allow air to circulate evenly, preventing soggy bottoms and ensuring crisp, delicious results. Made of durable stainless steel, they are sturdy, easy to clean, and perfect for all kinds of baked goods. If you want to take your baking to the next level, grab these cooling racks today by clicking the link in the description.